Do Americans get bagged milk? I'm trying to think if there's other things that Canadians have that the Americans don't have. Just getting some work done. Hell yeah. Hope it's going all right for you, Carmi. I know sometimes it can be very frustrating. I know you've mentioned some frustrations with your work, so hopefully it's not too bad today. Bleh. I really don't enjoy the smell of this extra thin cement. It's probably a little stronger than the other cement that I had. I had quick drying extra thin, and that definitely smelled. But this stuff I think is probably a little worse. Free healthcare. Oh snap! It's true though. It's true though. Bagged milk is mind-boggling to me. Oh boy, are we gonna get into this? Bagged milk? I don't know. Actually, I don't know if I can actually defend bagged milk. I'm just so used to it. I'm just so used to it. I think an argument can be made that the value you get for like a 3-pack of bagged milk is better than what you get out of like a carton of milk, as well as like bagged milk is preserved longer. I think an argument can be made for that, but I mean, I'm just used to it. I'm just used to it. So, you guys know how to even, do you guys know how to prepare your bagged milk so that it can be consumed? You guys know how it works? Karma used to have those little bagged milk where you can poke a straw through. Yes, I did have those. Part of like a school lunch program. I am familiar with that. You just stab that and you just drink out of like a floppy bag of milk. It's kind of weird, right? But I've definitely had that. Here, let me get some water, guys. I need some water. Getting a little thirsty. Get back to work. Damn. Vanilla. So in Canada, most Canadians drink bagged milk, and it's a thing where, you know, instead of a carton of milk, you just get a big ass bag of bagged milk. But I mean, you have to pour it in a cup first, right? So how does one do that? Are you guys aware of the process of preparing your bagged milk? Do you guys know how that procedure is conducted? Never seen them outside of that, Carmi. Bacon. I'm so tempted to say it's Trudeau, as it's Trudeau. It's Trudeau. Oh my god, it's a dad joke if I ever heard one. Cut a corner and put into a jar to help with the pouring. Yeah. You slip the bag in a container. Yeah, so there's like this jug. Am I gonna draw, guys? Are we gonna have to draw? I think we might have to draw. Might have to draw some bagged milk tings. Here, let's do a little bit of drawing. Learn you some bagged milk. So you have a bag jug? Yes, exactly, Vanilla. Bagged milk. Only if... Okay, some sort of package that doesn't deform. Listen, this is the Canadian experience. So here, guys, is your bagged milk. This is bagged milk. This is the bag and it's filled with milk. But you cannot simply take it from this state to your cup. So what is the solution? You need to get yourself one of these. You need to acquire one of these things. And it's a jug that is specially high-tech device that is specially formed to contain the power of bagged milk. And it looks like this, right? Just I don't know why I'm drawing this. It's like a picture. What's up, Ori? I'm at work, Ipa. What's up? Hope streams are going good. Yes. You put it in a metal milk holder thing. Yeah, ours isn't metal. It's plastic. It's probably from like 1989 or some shit. It's rather old. And so you put this bag into the jug thing, right? But see, there's an issue. Because it's kind of going to be floppy. It's kind of going to be a floppy, right? You got yourself a floppy bag. You don't want a floppy milk bag. You know? This is what you don't want. The bag to be partially flopped into the container. See this? This doesn't help anyone. You don't want this. Boo. You don't want that. Floppy milk bag. Right? So what you have to do is you put it in, and in its semi-floppy state, you're gonna have an up and down shaking motion. Shake. You're going to do an up and down shaking motion, just like this. And you might even want to bang it on the table to really kind of situate the milk and to encompass the entirety of the container. Just this motion right here. And you want to bang it, and you want to just get it right in there. Is this going to be on the test? It's going to be on the test, your Canadian citizenship test. Ask anyone when you become a Canadian citizen. You have to demonstrate this live and in person. If you can't do that, it's an automatic deportation. Send you back to wherever you came from. You don't know how to be Canadian. So now that you've got your bag, and it's only about this much should be revealed of the bag, right? This is the next thing you need to do, guys. This is key. This is key. This is key. All right, we got to zoom in on this. Get yourself some scissors, right? Get yourself some scissors. And you're going to cut just a little tip of the corner right here, like that. Just a wee tip of the corner. And that is your spout. And when you pour it, again, the bag is going to be a little floppy, a little loose, but enough of it will kind of just lean into this part, and it'll pour. And then you got yourself some bagged milk, the Canadian way. The Canadian way, guys. See? Milk. No other liquid is conveyed this way in Canada. And you got yourself your cup. And you're happy. Happy. Sorry, I was drawing it. You can't see that. See? The milk. The bag doesn't reseal. You can get a clip. They sell little clips to cut it, to seal it if you want. Some people don't bother. But there you go. See? The milk pours, and there you go. Work is so boring today. Yes, please, here, let me entertain you by showing you how Canadians drink milk. That's the strat, guys.